positive things you know about Mohbad, allegedly. Because the only thing that can make you open a page to change narrative about Mohbad's death, number one, psychologically, there is something hidden that you need to push narrative to cover up for, allegedly.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ kú dédé wòyí, ẹ kú àsìkò yìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé dáadáa lẹ́wà, ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pẹ̀lú Lizzy Anjorin, ẹ̀yin èèyàn àmàtúndé, èyí wà lẹ́ni ò sí nǹkan mẹ́wàá ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa bẹ̀bẹ̀ ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa Lizzy Anjorin máa ti jáde wá tún àṣírí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, Lizzy Anjorin tú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àṣírí nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe open WhatsApp group tó fi ń hùwà ìkà nídìí pé wọ́n wá justice fún Mohbad. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ farabalẹ̀, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé kí ẹ gbọ́ bí ó ṣe ń lọ lẹ́nu Lizzy Anjorin.
Ìyábọ̀, the way you package your own children on this cyberspace, you make every parent look as if they failed. And they are not failed. They are not just criminals in nature. You don't understand? I want to know why you created a WhatsApp group without one, Mohbad's father, the biological father of Mohbad, that trained Mohbad from zero to become hero. Number one. Number two, why is Mohbad's mother not on that platform? Why is Mohbad's wife not on that group? Ìyábọ̀, I want to know why you opened. Then how did you come up with issue of a group? Because Ìyábọ̀, even if you are not well known for good things in the society, because you are known for negative things in the society, that is the truth of the thing, the truth of the whole thing. To me, you are not a celebrity. You are just a lazy nuisance that bent on destroying the country. You eventually destroy the youth beyond repair, allegedly. You don't understand? Okay, with the little fame you got from destroying people, Ìyábọ̀, don't you know that there are some things that you must never do? You must never involve yourself in. Yoruba adage used to say, when you have name, you must avoid nicknames. And if you must have nickname as a known person in the society, make sure you have a good nickname. Ẹni tó lórúkọ kò kí wórí kíkún. It's been long. You've done your worst for my family. Ìyábọ̀, you acted as if you are the smartest, but you are the most dumb person I've ever seen. When you get to a stage in life, no matter how crazy you are, you withdraw from doing some things in order not to tarnish your image or your reputation for future's sake and because of the sake of your children. Ìyábọ̀, I've been yelling, I've been crying, I've been talking, I've been doing this. You keep pushing fake narrative against me. Ìyábọ̀, look at the game you wanted to play against me today. Look at how God turned it around to shame you, to favor me. Number one, Ìyábọ̀, I have a grown-up child, almost 30 years now. I have never come on this cyberspace to use my family, my children to bully you, because I am not after donation. I am not after downfall of anybody. But Yabo, because you bent on destroying innocent people, you always bring your dead glory families to subject innocent people to cyberbullying for donations. I keep saying this, but people seem not to understand. Now, what was your intention in creating group to change narrative about a boy that does not related to you in any form? Iyabo, you need to be investigated. EFCC need to pick you up. EFCC need to pick you up. Not only you, Iyabo. EFCC need to pick. I said something some weeks ago. I said, Iyabo Ojo, police or court can never settle our case until EFCC pick you up. Iyabo, a boy of almost the same age group with your first son died. And the first thing you did was asking for that boy to be exhumed. One. The next thing, you created WhatsApp group. A boy that is almost the same age with your first son. Iyabo, NDLA and EFCC need to investigate, because you pushed some narrative immediately that boy died. You pushed narrative of drugs against Naira Marley. You pushed narrative of drugs against that boy himself, allegedly. Iyabo, what makes you to involve yourself in this kind of, you know, Mohbad case is homicide. Mohbad case is homicide, allegedly. And tó bá ní video bí tí Iyabo ti bèrè royalty Mohbad concern ẹ̀sìn. And tó bá ní bí tí Iyabo ti bèrè royalty Mohbad. Mo ní lọ́wọ́ bọ̀ mi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ máa wá. Mo ń play kíní bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n máa play lọ. Ẹ máa play.
Me? I wanted to cover me, but I just said, I won't conclude with the public.
Mi sọ fún yín pé gíran lọ́mọ yìí. Mi sọ fún yín pé gíran lọ́mọ yìí. Mi sọ fún yín pé gíran lọ́mọ yìí. Una jọ ń gbá game fúnra wọn. I said it.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o. Ẹ ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Lizzy Anjorin sọ, ẹ gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí tí ó túnú fídíò yìí. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ni ẹ rò pé ó sún Iyabo Ojo débi ohun tí ó ṣe yìí? Ṣé ẹ rò pé Iyabo Ojo jẹ̀bi? Ṣé ẹ rò wípé WhatsApp group tí wọ́n sì yìí ṣe láti fi wá justice ni àbí láti fi ṣiṣẹ́ ibi? Ṣé ẹ rò wípé Iyabo Ojo mọ̀ nípa gist lover lóòótọ́? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó sọ síyàn lẹ́nu, bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ó tún buyọ̀ sí kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan báyìí. Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ohun tí ẹ bá lérò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé ní comment section kí a lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Tó bá rí bákan náà, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ó dàbọ̀.
There's somebody, Barrister Ramide, then there's Dre Official. This guy like Davido PR, see his picture, see his profile. As you can see, that's his profile.